church in about an hour, so I thought it'd be fun to take you guys on a few days of my life. Today's kind of gonna be a fun day. Our date night got a little bit messed up last night, so today after church, we'd already had plans to go couch shopping because quite frankly, our couch is falling to pieces. I think that thing is older than I am. So it's about time we go look for a couch of our own. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go have a little date night lunch at a Thai restaurant in the town where our church is. And then I think we're gonna go just do some general shopping around as well. And then obviously we'll see what Monday and Tuesday takes us to. But I'll catch you guys up then. Bye. Alright, so we just got out of church. The message was really good. We, funny enough, ran into our CEO at church as well. But we're about to go get some Thai food down on the square, and then I think we're gonna head over back to the shops and do some little couch shopping. I think the color would hide dirt decently well. All right, long time no chat. I think last time I spoke with you guys, one second, I got puppy paws. You good? All right. So last time that I spoke to you guys, it was Sunday, and since then we've just had a huge just parade of storms, if you want to call it that. So for the most part, I mean, we just were hunkering down and whatnot, going to work, nothing special, and I just quite frankly forgot to record. And so now today is Tuesday. I have a double shift, so I have my work in person here in Georgia, and then I still have the work that I do in Kentucky as well. Can I help you? One sec. But I'm about to hop on the treadmill real quick and probably chart from the treadmill for about a good 2 hours. We'll see. It's my version of a walking treadmill, and my setup is far from glamorous, but it works. So I'll take you guys along for hopefully the rest of tonight and tomorrow, because tomorrow has to be a very, very productive day because we leave for vacation on Friday night, maybe very early Saturday morning for a little anniversary trip down in Florida. But with that, I am trying to post every single day of August. You'll be seeing this way after that, so hopefully there's 31 days of videos for you to go watch if you want to. If not, something happened, but my goal is to post every single day of August, which means I need to get ahead because originally I thought I would have a week's worth of videos pre-done before this, but then I essentially just wanted to get them out in chronological order. So unfortunately I went ahead and posted them ahead of time, putting out like 4 and 5 videos on some weeks prior when I usually just do 3. So now I am struggling. But anyways, I need to go and log in and do some work because it's already probably 5 and I have a good 5 hours worth of work to do today. So it's a long work day for me. See y'all later today or tomorrow.
Or a couple weeks ago and feeling good.
Currently on mile 2. All right, so I just finished about 3.5 miles or so on the treadmill and about an hour and a half or so Honestly, pretty chill. It's now almost 7 and I need to go throw in leftovers into the oven as well as the pizza. Super simple tonight. I really don't have time to cook. Literally, I've been working since 8 a.m. and I'll probably be working until about 10:30, 11 o'clock tonight. My goal is to, after work, just tidy up the house a little bit, throw in some loads of laundry and just call it good. So I'll try to take you guys along with that. My brain is very much scattered today, so if you don't see any more videos from me, that's why. But I'm gonna go get dinner going. Okay guys, so it's about 9 or so now, and currently out on our porch doing more charting. But I was just thinking that honestly, this whole posting a video every single day of August thing would be great for monetization potentially, but honestly right now, I really just wanted to do it to challenge myself, but it's kind of demotivating to see the view counts and view durations of videos that you post and put so much effort into, only for like a handful of people to watch them. Like, I know that's how it's gonna be. No one knows who I am. You guys don't know me from anything. I have no authority over any topic that you guys are aware of, and it's just, I guess this is the reality of trying to be a influencer without pretty much ever having any kind of social media presence ever. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoy my random thoughts. Got plenty more. What do you want? Can't get anything done with him because all he wants is to just throw this ball all day long. He's crazy. What you two doing? Wanna go outside? Yeah. Are you on the couch? Oh, yeah. Alright, unfortunately, I think the squash vine borer has completely taken over my garden because all of my zucchini, winter squash, all of it is just rotting so fast. All of the produce has little caterpillars in it. And it's honestly such a disappointment, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip out all of the squash plants at this point. Welcome to middle of an editing hole, Madison. I am 2 coffees deep, about to go refill up on water and probably tea, a decaf tea. But I've now edited a whole Alaska vlog, and I'm now calling through all of the footage from our Juneau day. I kid you not, I managed to film legit an hour of footage just on my camera and another 2 hours of footage on my phone for one day. We weren't even in port that long. Why do I do this to myself? Actually, no, I'm happy I did this because now I have all the fun footage to look back through, but it's a lot to work through within one day. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some tea and some water. This will probably be the last time I speak with you guys, so have a lovely day. Bye, guys. Hey guys, sorry, long time no chat. Honestly, I just got caught up. I had a phone call with a friend earlier today, which is always fun to catch up. She's currently pregnant and pretty much due any day now. So it's really special just to get this one-on-one time with her before baby comes. And then for the most part, other than that, I've just been working my butt off. Sam got home from work and he actually wrote me the sweetest little love letter. We'll cherish that forever. But otherwise, he's been busy, so I've been working on videos and just trying to figure out the rest of this month and trying to figure out how to take off the next couple days when we go on a little small anniversary trip. And then in addition to that, obviously cooked dinner and baked this, I want to say it was a red velvet cheesecake. At least that was the goal. Turns out my red food dye was not good, so it's really just, I guess, a chocolate cheesecake. But kind of just to show her support and some love. But otherwise, I'm gonna get back to doing some editing. It's all the Alaska content. It's really fun going back and just reliving these trips. Even if honestly YouTube goes absolutely nowhere, I will probably keep posting videos just for my sake. Even Sam thinks it's just fun to go back and see your memories, and not real time, but what feels like almost real time or retelling a story again. But anyways, I'm not exactly sure what all this vlog turned into. It's been scattered over a couple days, unfortunately. So if this is the end of the vlog, thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you sat through all this. And I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys again here soon. Bye.